This ShopSeries 16 inches scroll saw is equipped with a 1.2 amp motor, making it ideal for powering through a variety of woodworking jobs such as making intricate cuts, curves, and joints. Variable speed control and a 3/4 of an inches stroke ensure clean, accurate cuts, while the die-cast aluminum table bevels from 0 to 45 degrees to ensure precision and accuracy. This scroll saw includes two durable 5 inches tungsten carbide blades with a throat depth of 16 inches, providing a cutting capacity of 2 inches at 90 degrees and 1 3/16 inches at 45 degrees. And the onboard storage prevents blades from getting lost or damaged. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. It is also equipped with a built-in blower to keep dust from blocking the view of the work and a dust collection port to keep the work area clean, while the included blade guard provides enhanced operator safety. The ShopSeries 16 inches scroll saw comes with a 2-year limited warranty that protects against defects in materials and workmanship. Built for performance and value, ShopSeries brings superior engineering and design to a line of power tools designed to last. Reliability, ease of use, precision, and innovative features are all here to aid the user in completing their projects with speed and quality. From DIYers to homeowners, ShopSeries tools will get the job done right. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful. Lightweight 1.2 amp scroll saw, ideal for a variety of woodworking projects. Number 2. Die-cast aluminum table bevels from 0 to 45 degrees. Number 3. Includes two durable 5 inches tungsten carbide blades with a throat depth of 16 inches and a cutting depth of 2/2 inches. Number 4. Variable speed control and a 4/5 of an inch stroke ensure clean, accurate cuts. Number 5. 2-year limited warranty protects against defects in materials and workmanship. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.